In the last two videos, we learned how to create cleaner infographics using AI and how to structure prompts so the visuals look organized. But there's another capability that makes tools like Nano really interesting. It's the ability to generate infographics using real-time data from the internet. Instead of creating a static graphic based on old information, the AI can search for current data and turn that information into a visual infographic. So in this video, I'm going to show you how that works and how you can use it to generate real-time infographics automatically. Section 1. The idea behind real-time infographics. Normally, when we create infographics, we first need to collect the data. For example, if we want to make a weather infographic, we might search multiple websites, gather the numbers, and then design the graphic manually. But with AI tools like Nano, combined with models like Gemini Flash, much of that work can be automated. The AI can search for the information, organize it, and generate the visual infographic. So the workflow becomes something like this. First, generate the data, then generate the infographic. And this entire process can happen in just a few seconds. Let me show you a simple example. Section 2, example, weekly weather infographic. Let's say we want to generate an infographic showing the 7-day weather forecast for Chiang Mai, Thailand. Instead of manually collecting the forecast data, we can simply ask the AI to generate a weekly weather infographic. For example, a prompt might look like this. Create a 7-day weather infographic for Chiang Mai, Thailand. Include temperature, weather icons, and a clear weekly layout. When the AI processes this request, it can pull current weather data and turn it into a visual layout. The result might include daily temperatures, weather icons like sun or rain, and a structured 7-day forecast. And the interesting part is that the design is generated automatically. You're not building the graphic manually. The AI is assembling it for you. Section 3. Why this is powerful. This becomes powerful because it connects two important things together. First, information, and second, visual communication. Instead of spending time designing charts or diagrams, the AI can transform data into visuals almost instantly. That means real-time infographics can be useful for many different types of content. For example, weather updates, news summaries, technology trends, educational explanations, social media posts. Anytime you want to turn information into a visual explanation, this workflow can help. And if you're interested in experimenting with tools like this, I also share prompt experiments and tutorials inside the AI TLDR school community. AI TLDR is a creative hub designed to make AI simple, visual, and practical. Inside the community, you'll find quick tutorials, downloadable prompt packs, experiments with AI, image generation, discussions about real AI workflows creators are using. So if you want to explore these tools without getting lost in technical complexity, you can check out the AI TLDR community, link in the description. Now let's continue with how this workflow actually works. The process is actually quite simple. Step 1 is the data request. This is where the AI searches for information. For example, a weather forecast, a market trend, or a current event. Step 2 is structuring the information. The AI organizes the data into logical sections. For example, day 1, day 2, day 3, or categories like temperature, humidity, and conditions. And then step 3 is visual generation. This is where Nano generates the infographic layout. It places icons, numbers, and labels into a structured visual design. So instead of manually designing the infographic, you're describing what you want and letting the AI assemble the graphic. Section 5. Important reminder about accuracy. One important thing to remember when working with real-time infographics is that the visuals are only as good as the data behind them. That means it's still important to verify important numbers when accuracy matters. AI is excellent at visualizing information, but it should still be treated as a tool that assists the process rather than something you trust blindly. In other words, let the AI handle the design, but stay aware of the source of the data. Section 6. Expanding the idea. Once you understand this workflow, you can apply it to many different topics. For example, you could generate a visual summary of current AI tools, a chart explaining recent technology news, a breakdown of educational concepts, a quick infographic explaining a trending topic. This makes AI a powerful tool for creators, educators, and anyone who wants to turn complex information into clear visuals. So the key idea from this episode is simple. AI can combine real-time data with visual generation to produce infographics almost instantly. Instead of manually collecting information and designing the layout, you can describe what you want and let the AI build the visual structure. And in the next episode, we're going to take this idea a step further. We'll look at how AI-generated infographics can be used to create real business assets, like menus, product displays, and visual information boards. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe for more AI TLDR experiments. Want to go deeper? Join the AI TLDR community. Link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.